Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Getfield. I'm going to be doing with you today a melted crayon picture. So we're going to need a few items in order to do this. The first being a piece of cardstock. If you have white, that would be great because I think it would pick up all the colors in the picture. So white cardstock, some crayons. I have the colors of the rainbow here: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. These are the small skinny crayons. If you do have the big fat ones, those would probably work better, but you can certainly use these. We have the crayons. We need wax paper, a cheese grater, either freestanding or one that you hold in your hand, and an iron. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of white paper. I also have it in a box so as to not get all the crayon shavings all over the table. So what you're going to do is you are going to put your paper in the box. You're going to take your crayons. You can use any color you want. I use the colors of the rainbow, but you can certainly use whichever colors you would like. You're going to take each crayon and you're going to press it up against a cheese grater all over the paper. Now some of it's going to get in the box and that's fine too. The shavings of whichever color crayon you're using are going to fall onto the paper. You can give it a little shake. And you're going to do this with each of your crayons. When you are done, your crayons will look like this on the paper. Okay, then what you are going to do is you're going to take your wax paper, enough to cover the crayon shavings, and you're going to place it over your picture, okay? Then you're going to use your iron. Your iron doesn't have to be on very long at all. It doesn't need to be too hot. And boys and girls, you are not to touch the iron. Please let mom and dad or Nana and Papa do the ironing part for you. So you're going to take your iron and you're simply going to place it and lift up all over your picture. And what's going to happen is the heat from the iron is going to melt the crayons. And what you're going to see is this when you peel off the wax paper, which is pretty cool. And then you're going to see your picture, which is going to look like this. It's an awesome, cool project. Doesn't take very long. And when you're done, you can put your name at the bottom, frame it, or mom and dad can just put it on the fridge. Okay, hope you enjoyed the craft and I'll see you soon. I miss you guys. Bye-bye.